All right, everybody, welcome back. So this is going to be a sound demo of the KLH Model 3. Actually, I'm going to play the same song that I just did the demo with, the Less 50 Metas. And that's Chantel. It's called Fever. It's on Tidal. It's Max MQA. Here we go.
Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Sun lights up the daytime, moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Romeo loved Juliet, and Juliet, she felt the same. When he put his arms around her, he said, Julie, baby, you're my flame. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Now you've listened to my story. Here's the point that I had made. Chicks were born to give you fever, be it Fahrenheit or centigrade. They give you fever when you kiss them, fever if you live and learn. Fever till you sizzle. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. way to go. What a lovely way to go.
There you go. KLH Model 3s. Hope you enjoyed.